Hello guys, and welcome to the latest episode of Big Trip. And today I'm at Weybridge, located on the Southwestern Main Line. Today here we'll be seeing services purely from Southwestern Railway. Just had an arriving pair of 707s here. We've got 707-02 at the rear, well now we're going to be the front, and 707-025, which is now going to be the rear as it goes out. Also got a couple of trains passing through here. We've got a Southwestern Railway service, which is formed of a few 159 and 158 it looks like, heading to Salisbury. (159.012) and then 158.884. And also arriving in is the 1211 Southwestern Railway service to Basingstoke. If you do check out any updates on trips and posts, etc., do check out the Facebook group. Links in the description, and also check out the Discord server. Please ask me for the link for that. Here we have 450.075 from London Waterloo to Basingstoke. And 450.011. So, without further ado, let's just look here, shall we? Let's get started. Here at Basingstoke? No, Weybridge. Enjoy. Here you go now, is the 1211 Southwestern Railway service to Basingstoke. Formed of looks like another, possibly pairing of 450s, which is 450.049. And 450.054 heading to London Waterloo. So without further ado, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Weybridge. Again, I just said that twice, but oh well, have it twice. Okay, next train to arrive is the 1213 Southwestern Railway service from Woking to London Waterloo. This one is 455.742. And 455.86 something. And the rear, very rare, it's 456.023. See this one out in a minute. Okay, the part now is going to be the 1213 service from Woking to London Waterloo. 458.860 is the middle unit. There goes that one. Next off of that one is Walton-on-Thames. So there it goes. Right, passing through there's 450.068, 450.056, and new livery 450.127. Heading on a service from Hazelmere to London Waterloo, 12 coaches on that one. Whilst also passing through, looks like something else. Yep, we have another service, Southwestern Railway. This is formed of two 450s. And this is a service to Alton from London Waterloo. Alright, stand corrected, a service to Portsmouth Harbour, 450.028 and 025. Or it might just be a glitch, but I think it's Alton, that one. But anyway, we'll see. There it goes anyway. goes 450.053 and 077. That one is headed for Alton from London Waterloo. That one's gone on the slow line, passing through. Alright, passing through there's 159011 and 159005. Heading on a South Western Railway service from Exeter St David's to London Waterloo. There that one goes. It went quite slowly compared to some others. Alright, passing there's 444010 and 444039 on a South Western Railway service to Wareham, formed of two original livery units, heading over there. So that one goes. East 707s will be leaving in about 10 or so minutes. Alright, passing there's 444026 on a service to Portsmouth Harbour from London Waterloo. I think that one's going by Basingstoke, that one. Alright, passing now is going to be a service from Wareham to London Waterloo. This one looks like a new liveried 444, could be wrong though. No, it is a new livery one. It's 444038. And 444004. What's also arriving in is the 1229 South Western Railway service to Woking, which is 456008. Hang on, no, 018 I think actually. Yeah, 018. And the other two units we'll see as they go out. It's formed of a 456 and two 455s. The rear of it is 455738. We'll get the middle one as it goes out. Right, the partner now is going to be the Woking service. It's also arriving, or passing through now I should say. It's a South Western Railway service from Alton to London Waterloo, 450033. And 450017. I didn't get the middle unit, so I'm going to leave that one out. Probably see it later anyway. There that one goes, heading to Woking. Partner now is a 1233 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. (707.025) is in the rear of that one. And also arriving 450.083 from Basingstoke to London Waterloo. And 450.123 coming back. ABC. Gotta do it, sorry.
I
was waiting for that. Alright, passing there's 450.023 and 450.001. Heading on a service to Hazelmere from London Waterloo. So there goes that one. Right upon our now is going to be the, I'll zoom on it real quick, maybe not, 1236 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo from Basingstoke. So that one goes. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be the 12:39, I think. And he's in 41, thank you. South Western Railway service to Basingstoke, which is 4:50:90. And something else, whatever it is.
The 158 coming,
So that's that. Alright, passing now as well, we've got a service to Exeter St David's. One 59015 and 013. And the partner now is 12:41, South Western Railway service to Basingstoke. There's 4:50:029 at the back. There that one goes, heading to Basingstoke. Alright, terminating now, we've got some 458s terminating in from London Waterloo. This one went via Staines and Addleston. Staines, Barnes and Addleston, which is 458530. Nice to see one of these pop up on this as well. I know they do it. But nice bit of variety. Got a Woking to London Waterloo service arriving in as well, which is 455855. And 455731. Four 58531, numerical order. So there they both are, terminating from Waterloo via Barnes, and there's the Woking one to London Waterloo. Right, to find out now, it is the 12:43 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo from Woking. So, question of a video time. Very technical one this time for you guys. So, can you guys tell me why do the 458, this 458, have all black windows and different doors, and why this one has only one set of those black windows and different doors? So, can you tell me basically why this one has all black windows and why this one has only just one black window? There is a reason behind it. Answers in the comments. Alright, passing through now, got a South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. I think that one might be from Portsmouth Harbour by Basingstoke. 444024 on that one. So that one goes. Right, passing there's 44401 and 44413 heading over to Wareham from London Waterloo. Right, we've got a Salisbury London Waterloo service passing through now. One 159-101 and 159-106. Still says Salisbury on it as well. Then that one goes heading to London Waterloo from Salisbury. Triple 4017 and 005 passing through there on a Wareham to London Waterloo service. lot of them have been done up in the new livery now, which is quite good. Okay, arriving in now, we've got a South Western Railway service. This is the, what I believe to be the 1301 South Western Railway service to Woking, 455914. There's that one. Bit of a late clip there. There's 450.095 and 087 there, passing through to London Waterloo from Alton. So there goes that one. And going out now is the 1300, I think, on 1259 South Western Railway service. And another 450 coming up as well. .024 and 069 there, passing through, and 455, yep, 723 heading out to Woking. There goes that one, or those ones I should say. Right, departing now is going to be the 1301 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Addleston, Barnes and Staines. There goes 45110, 002 and 066 heading to London Waterloo as well. And there goes 458, 530 and 531 heading out to London Waterloo as well, going in the opposite direction. So as that one goes out and this one comes in as well, I'm going to finish the video from Weybridge here. Thanks everyone for watching this video from Weybridge. Here comes 450051. This is a Basingstoke to London Waterloo, I think. 450038. Yes, so thank you everyone for watching this video from Weybridge. If you have liked what you've seen here, do like and subscribe, and do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can, and leave any recommendations as always. I'll get back to them as and when I can as well. This station's been absolutely fantastic. Weybridge, good one for passing trains. It's a lot busier, and it's nice to have the Addleston trains, or they're advertised as Barnes, I think, here, but they go to London Waterloo anyway. They just go the long way around. It's nice to have them included at Weybridge as well on the little bay platform here, and 707 and a pair of 458s, so it was a nice mix. Yeah, nice station, got your basic variety. It's a station I definitely would recommend. It's a lovely station with good views, and if you're on this line filming, it's a really, really good place to go. The next station for me is going to be from Surbiton, so I shall see you there.
And I'm Daniel Sullivan.
Yes, Daniel Sullivan at Charing Cross in Gate Line.
Where's your ticket?
You're not allowed to film here. Anyway, right, stop mocking him for a minute. Thank you for watching, and I will see you at Surbiton. Goodbye.